Hello people, how y'all doing out there? How y'all doing? Y'all, I am back with another video. I haven't sat down and like had a conversation with y'all in a minute or two, If you looked at the title, you seen Brandon Blackwood. Y'all, I have been looking at his purses for at least a year, maybe 2 years. Maybe 2 years, you guys, and I finally got me 1, 2, or 3. When I seen this purse, let me tell y'all, look at her. Look at her. Take it in, take it in, take it in. Oh my God. Like, calm down, girl, calm down. Y'all, this is Brandon Blackwood. This one is the Kendrick trunk. Yes, this is the full size one. They have like mini sizes, but this is the full size one. This is my first one, y'all. This is the first one. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Y'all, the detail of these purses is wonderful. Like, I'm a gold person, rose gold person. Look at that, y'all. Look at her. It do come with a strap. I don't use the strap as much, but it do come with a strap. What I love so much, girls, you know how you want to put your phone, your lip gloss, or whatnot in this. It will fit everything. It will fit everything. And you be like, you look at it, be like, wait, what? It fits everything, you guys. Look at it. It's very spacious in the inside. I'm licensed to carry a gun, okay? So I have my gun in here. I'm not going to show you guys, but I'm able to conceal my gun in here. I have my gun. I have a little wallet. This is a iPhone 14 Plus. I have my gum. I have my lotion. I have my hand sanitizer. I have my floss. I have my lip gloss, but currently it's in another purse. I have all of that in here, and it fits, you guys. It fits, it closes. You cannot tell me that purse is not everything. From the look of it to the, I don't even know if this is, I don't know what type of leather it is, but it's some type of leather. But wait a minute, this is my first one, y'all. Okay, I told you my husband bought me this for Mother's Day. Yeah, I did it. He was running a sale. I don't know if the sale is still going on. The packaging of it is great. Look how it comes, y'all. I love that it has its own bag. Of course, ladies, you know, if you travel or whatnot, these little bags come in handy to cover your purses. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Let's do it. I don't know what color this one is, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, come through, purple. Look at that, y'all. Oh, I love the gold detailing. I love the foots. The feet, whatever they want to call these. I call it the feet, you know, to set it on something where, you know, it's just not bare. I love that. Of course, we have the strap. And of course, the little whatnots and little things in here. But look. It is so well crafted, y'all. When I say well crafted, like, but I love the little snap, y'all. Look at the little snap. It's a B, if you can see. Hopefully you can see. You can see the B for Brandon. And I love the little snap. Look. You see? It is a good amount of space in there, ladies. Like, a good amount of space. So, got the purple one. Got the green one. Woo, child. Woo, child. Woo! That one. That's red. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that one. This red is the bomb. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. And y'all might be saying, child, why did you get 3 of the exact same purses? Cause I want to, and like Tabitha Brown said, because that's my business. Oh, because I wanted to get my favorite colors, and green, red, and purple. This red is fire. Oh my goodness, can you see me going out? Like, girl, where you going? I don't know. On a date night with my husband, and all black, and with this pop of color right here, this red pop of color. Oh, that is gorgeous. That red one is gorgeous, y'all. All of them are gorgeous, but this red one, woo, this red one, this one right here, this one right here. Oh, I love that color. I think it's that red and that gold. I think, oh, y'all. I will be getting more, but different ones. I see at least three more different styles of purses on his website that of course I've been having in my bag, and I also screenshotted it to my husband. You know, birthday coming up, Christmas coming up, but just because it's coming up, you know, just because you great. Bam. I mean, these are gorgeous. They great. Wherever he get these made, the craftsmanship of them are good. I love the detailing, like the small B of the clasp of these purses. Black owned people, black owned, support your black owned businesses. Look, you can put it right here, adjust it right there. Long ways, if you purse carrier like that, you can do that way. Okay. And that is it, you guys. So that is all, you guys. Let me know in the comments, which color do you prefer? And if you have a brand of Blackwood, which one do you have? Maybe I can look at that one and screenshot it to my husband. I'm just saying. Anyhow, I'm gonna keep this one right here. I'm gonna keep this one right here. Oh man, keep that one right there. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell somebody about me. Why don't you? Bye bye.